Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial to explore. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get Claude models on Copilot Github. You must have a Copilot Pro or Copilot Enterprise. Firstly, open Copilot Chat in VS Code by pressing Ctrl+Alt+I. Look for the Model Picker drop-down menu typically located at the bottom or top of that chat panel. Select an anthropic Claude model from the list. If you don't use or see Claude models, ensure your organization admin has enabled Claude in your GitHub organization settings, Copilot, then policies. And it is as simple as that, no hassle at all. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one.